Hi, this is Victor, the Director of Content with BlueDAG. Today I'm going to demonstrate our new updated application for Android users. Once we open up the application, you'll see a whole new updated interface. Now the first thing we are going to do is to add an area description by tapping on the pencil icon in the top right corner. Next, we'll tap on the plus button at the bottom right and start typing. Once we're done adding areas, we'll tap on the check mark at the top of the page. To add a finding, we tap on the area description we want, and then tap on the plus button at the bottom right of the screen. The first time you open the finding page, it will take a second to load. Once it's done, you'll see the words Select Group under the Barrier Finder bar. To take a picture, tap on the teal camera icon at the bottom of the page. I usually turn my device in landscape mode and take the photo. You don't have to, but for me, it's just a matter of preference. Lastly, accept your photo by tapping OK. Next, we can add coordinates to our finding by tapping on Geolocate. To bring up the finding menu, tap on the words Select Group under the Barrier Finder purple bar. There you will scroll to find the group you need. New type and subtypes will continue to appear until you reach the end of the finding menu. You can also include an as-built condition in the as-built field, or modify any of the fields by simply scrolling down and tapping on the corresponding area. If a figure is provided, tapping on the figure will give you a pop-up preview. There, you can see the figure and review it. Tap on Save in the bottom right-hand corner to save the finding. Now I'm going to repeat the process, only instead of tapping on Save at the bottom of the screen, I'm going to tap on Save and New. This will save my current finding and automatically open a new finding page for me to fill out. A side note about the camera shutter button, some devices will allow you to place a second button on the photo screen to make it easier to reach. However, keep in mind that this feature is not available on all devices. Next, let's take a look at checklists. Start off by tapping on the word Checklist at the bottom of the screen while on the Finding/Area tab. Once the checklist loads and you find the one you need, tap on the plus icon to open the checklist. Checklists with teal icons are parent checklists that will suggest other checklists to complete that are usually associated with that element. Once you open up a checklist, tap on the area to select the area description you need. For coordinates, tap on Geolocate. To start the checklist, tap on Next at the bottom of the screen. Now simply select the appropriate answer to the question, then tap Next. If a question has additional guidance, then a teal eye will be displayed next to the question. If you tap on that eye, a new page will load, providing the additional guidance that will help a user answer the question properly. If an answer to a question will create a finding, the application will prompt the user to take a photo. Once you reach the end of a checklist, click Save. If you were in a parent checklist, you'll see suggestions for other checklists to complete. If you don't need to do any of those, simply click back at the top left-hand corner of the screen to go back to the main checklist page. Tap on Findings to review the findings you've created, then tap on the area description you want. There you can tap on any finding to open it back up, review it, or edit it. If you tap on Details at the bottom right-hand corner, the application will show you the evaluation details. There you can take a cover photo for the report, or even open your map application to get directions to the site. To get directions, tap on the arrow on the top right corner of the screen, tap the back arrow to return to the BlueDAG app. To sync your data, tap on the back arrow on the top left of the screen, then tap on the two arrows at the top right corner of the screen Please leave the application on the screen and allow it to finish syncing before moving on. The new Android application will no longer store finding figures in your camera roll. Now they will be stored separately, so not to bog up your gallery. Also, evaluation photos will be stored in albums with the corresponding evaluation number. The new Android application should provide you with better performance and a new, smoother interface. For any questions regarding any of the content, feel free to go to our website at BlueDAG.com. Thank you for watching.